Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. Y'all know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, November the 20th at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you're in the store to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store, and even if you are 1 penny under that $25 subtotal mark, that can throw your whole deal off. And also, here is how I go about checking out whenever I do my 5 off $25 scenarios. So first, I'll have the cashier ring up all of my items. Then you want to verify that your subtotal is $25 or more. Keep in mind that that is before taxes. Now, if you have the newer keypads at your store, you will have to ask the cashier what your subtotal is. If you have the older keypads in place, it will show your subtotal on the screen. Then I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. Again, if you have the older keypads still at your store, it will show you which digital coupons have been applied. Then if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. Keep in mind, if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can always void the transaction and try again because your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account, and any paper coupons that you may have handed over will still work because the transaction was never completed. Now, if you complete the transaction and you try to return those items, you have lost all of your digital coupons. There's no way that those will go back onto your account. So just keep in mind, don't be afraid to void it and try again if need be. Alright guys, so for this first scenario, we have a little food deal here. So you want to pick up 2 of the Jell-O cheesecakes that are on sale this week, 2 for $3. 2 of the Jet Puff mini marshmallows, they are on sale this week, 2 for $2. And 1 of the Jell-O mixes for $1. 3 of the tortilla chips that are on sale, 3 for $3. 1 bag of Clover Valley sugar for $2. 1 bag of Clover Valley flour at $1.85. 1 Clover Valley powdered or brown sugar at $1.65. We're not done just yet. You want to pick up 1 of the Clover Valley vegetable oils at $2.50, 1 of the Carnation Breakfast Essentials 6 count at $2.95, 2 of the Life or Captain Crunch cereals. They are on sale this week, 2 for $5, 1 of the Okios yogurt cups at 95 cents, 1 of the Nivea can 1-ounce lotions in the dollar aisle for $1, and 1 Airwick 1-count oil refill for $2.50. And that's going to bring your subtotal to $29.40. Now, for this scenario, I just added in the Nivea and the Airwick just to take advantage of that overage. But if you can't find those 2 items, you can just simply subtract those from the scenario and you're still good to go. And here are your digital coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And there are 2 pages, so make sure you screenshot both of those. It was kind of hard to fit them all in one page. And here is your list of digital coupons. Of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 2 off 6 Jell-O/marshmallow DG store coupon, the 50-cent off 1 Clover Valley sugar, 35-cent off 1 Clover Valley flour, 15-cent off 1 for the Clover Valley powdered or brown sugar, and 50-cent off 1 for the Clover Valley vegetable oil. And then we have a second slide here, the 1 off 1 for the breakfast essentials, 2 off 2 for the Quaker products, and that is a DG store coupon, the 1 off 2 for the Life or Captain Crunch cereals, 65-cent off 1 for the Okios yogurt, 2 off 1 for the Nivea lotion, and 2.75 off 1 for the Airwick refills. Your subtotal after coupons will be $11.50 for 18 items. And then the deal gets even better because you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get $1.48 back for the Jet Puffed marshmallows. And you're also going to get 25 cents back for picking up 1 of the boxes of Jell-O mix. And that is going to bring your total rebate to $1.73. That's going to make your final price just $9.77 for all 18 items, or just 54 cents each. And I think that's a fantastic deal considering we normally don't have this many deals on food items. So definitely take advantage of these deals this week, guys. Alright guys, moving right along here, we have a personal care deal, and for this one, we are going to be stocking up on deodorant because we have all kinds of really good coupons right now. So for this one, you want to pick up 3 of the Axe men's 1.7-ounce deodorants at $7.50. They are $2.50 each. 1 of the Degree men's 1.7-ounce deodorants at $2. 1 of the Degree women's dry spray, the Shower Clean 4-ounce cans at $2.25, one of the Ibotta Kotex 50-count liners at $3.25, 3 of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste at $7.75. They are on sale too for $5, and then you're going to have to pay full price, which is $2.75 for that third one. Then you want to pick up one of the Rexall Vitamin B12s 60 count for $2, and one of the Nivea 1-ounce can lotion found in the dollar aisle for $1. That is going to bring your subtotal to $25.75. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Axe deodorant, the 250 off 2 Axe deodorant, the 1 off 1 Degree men's deodorant, 150 off 1 Degree women's dry spray deodorant, 1 off 1 Ibotta Kotex, 5 off 3 Colgate, 1 off 1 Rexall vitamins, and the 2 off 1 Nivea lotion. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $5.75 for 11 items. But it gets even better because right now on Fetch Rewards, we have that 1,000 point bonus for the Axe deodorant sticks or the body spray. And there is a limit of 5. So you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you're going to get $1 back for each Axe deodorant that you picked up. So that is going to bring your total rebate to $3, making your final price just $2.75 for 11 items, making each one just 25 cents each. I think that is a fantastic deal. Alright guys, next up we have a little mix and match deal here for you. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Arm & Hammer laundry products that are $3.50. You can either pick up the liquid laundry detergent, the sheets, or the scent boosters. One of the Scott 6-count paper towels for $5. 2 of the Airwick oil refills 1 count for $5. They are $2.50 each. 5 of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 1 liter or 1.25 liters, depending on which your store has, at $5. They are $1 each. 2 of the Jell-O cheesecakes that are on sale too for $3. 2 of the Jet Puffed mini marshmallows, they are on sale this week too for $2. 1 of the Jell-O mixes at $1, and 1 of the Nivea can 1-ounce lotions found in the dollar aisle for $1. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $25.50. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. So you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Arm & Hammer, 275 off 1 Airwick oil refill, the 150 off 1 Airwick oil refill, the 3 off 5 Pepsi Cola products, the 2 off 6 Jell-O / marshmallow DG store coupon, and the 2 off 1 Nivea lotion. Your subtotal after coupons will be $8.25 for 15 items. But the deal gets even better because you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get $1.48 back for the Jet Puffed marshmallows. And you're also going to get 25 cents back for picking up that box of Jell-O mix. And then you're also going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards because right now we have a 750 point bonus on the Scott paper towel 6 count or larger. So you're going to get 75 cents back from Fetch Rewards. And that is going to bring your total rebate to $2.48. And that's going to make your final price just $5.77 for 15 items, making each one just 38 cents each. Alright guys, and last but not least, we have a gain scenario. So here are my little tips and tricks. Whenever you do a gain scenario, I highly recommend that you make sure that you scan each and every gain scented product that you want to purchase in your transaction. You want to make sure that the 5 off 30, or in our case this week we have a 5 off 20 gain DG store coupon, and the 5 off 25, and if you have a gain manufactured digital coupon, you want to make sure that all 3 of those show up under each gain scented product. So this is just for example if you're doing an all digital deal. If you have paper coupons, of course, just, read the coupon and make sure that the manufacturer coupon is for the product that you're purchasing, and you should be good to go. But either way you go, it is still very important to scan all of your Gain products because some Gain products and some Gain scented products, such as the Febreze air fresheners, do not work with the 5 off 30 Gain coupon. Or in our case, this week we have a 5 off 20 Gain coupon. So let's look at an example here really quick. Let's just pretend we are in the store and we just scanned the Gain Flings 51 count Moonlight Breeze. Those are $13.50. Let's pretend we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon that will work with that item, and the 5 off 30 and the 5 off 25. All 3 of those coupons showed up underneath that product, so we are good to go for that one. But that does not mean just because we scanned the Gain 51 Count Flings Moonlight Breeze scent, that does not automatically mean that the Gain 51 Count Flings original scent will also work. So even though you're picking up the same product, just a different scent, you still need to scan every single one to make sure that all of your coupons that you're wanting to use show up under each product. Alright guys, so for this scenario, you are going to need one insert coupon that came out in last Sunday's inserts. Now, if you don't receive Gain coupons in your area, you can always go to the P&G website and print off a printable Gain coupon there. Just make sure that you do it within 24 hours of you going to the store, because those do expire pretty quickly. So for this scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the Gain laundry products at $13.90. They are $6.95 each. 2 of the Gain Scented Febreze air fresheners at $6. They are $3 each. And 1 of the Gain laundry products found in the dollar aisle. So there's detergent, fabric softener, and sheets in the dollar aisle for $1. And then you want to pick up 2 of the Airwick oil refills, 1 count for $5. They are $2.50 each. And 1 of the Nivea 1-ounce cans of lotion found in the dollar aisle for $1. Your subtotal is going to be $26.90. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, your 5 off 20 Gain, the 2 off 1 Gain Laundry, the 2 off 1 Gain Laundry from the 1114 Save Insert, or again, you can use a printable, the 3 off 2 Febreze Air digital coupon, the 275 off 1 Airwick Refill, 150 off 1 Airwick Refill, and the 2 off 1 Nivea Lotion. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $3.65 for 8 items, making each one just 45 cents each, and I think that is a fantastic deal. Now, I do have a couple more scenarios that are just floating around in my head. I just honestly ran out of time. I didn't have time to type them up, get the screenshots, the slides, all that good stuff together. But, you know, sometimes that happens. I'm a one-woman show, and, you know, sometimes there's just not enough hours in the day to get everything done that I want to do. But the plan is to get this video uploaded and out there to you guys. Also, I have a Walgreens pickup order haul video that is going to also be uploaded today, so be on the lookout for that. And then hopefully after that I can just sit down and put these little ideas together on a quick post for you all and post it in the community tab. So be on the lookout. I may have a couple more scenarios for you all later today. And a couple of quick reminders before we go, in case you didn't know about PNGGoodEverydayRewards.com. I do have a referral link down in the description box below. That is where you can go and print off your PNG coupons for Gain, Tide, Febreze, whatever it may be. And then also, once you go to the store and buy the PNG products, go back to that same website and scan in your receipt, and you can earn 50 points for every PNG product that you purchased, up to 5 products. So, especially on these Gain deals, those points can really stack up quickly, because you can get 250 points per receipt on that Gain scenario. And then also, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, it is the easiest rebate app out there. I always highly recommend this, especially if you are a new couponer. This is the easiest one to use. You don't have to add anything onto your account. All you have to do is download it, check your offers, and then once you go to the store and purchase your products, take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up, my referral code is on the screen here, and if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. And last but not least, we have Ibotta, and right now this is everyone's favorite rebate app. You know why? Because they're giving away free Thanksgiving dinners. Now, if you're not already signed up, I don't know what you're waiting on. I don't know what else more I can say to get you to sign up. A free Thanksgiving dinner, a whole free Thanksgiving dinner, free turkey, free drinks, free mashed potatoes, free. So what else can I say, guys? Go sign up. I don't know what you're waiting on. They have a $20 welcome bonus. My referral code is on the screen here. And if you use it, you're going to become a part of my team. So how awesome is that? Go sign up and check it out so that you don't miss out on all of these freebies. Now, I know a few of my long-term crazy couponer friends out there got a really good kick out of that one, so I hope I made you smile, guys. Now, if you need more ideas for your 5 off $25 scenarios, you know I've got you covered with the good deals and glitch list video, so that's going to be linked down in the pinned comment below, where we go over all of the good coupon matchups, all of the good deals, and all of the glitches. Now, we also have a 3-day sale, which is going on right now at Dollar General. I did put together a really quick little video on that. We do have some coupon matchups and some really good deals. So if you missed either one of those videos, I'm going to leave those linked down in the pinned comment below, so don't forget to go check them out. And for all my Walgreens people out there, I did not forget about you this week. I'm going to be uploading my Walgreens haul video here shortly after this one is uploaded. This was a pickup order, super simple and easy, so you don't want to miss it. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, because you know what? You don't want to miss out on any of these awesome deals. And also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It's a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know, so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.